Oral Crohn's disease or orofacial granulomatosis is a disease which has all feature of Crohn's disease, but it is localized to the oral mucosa. There is no symptomatic disease of the GI tract. Over time, some of these patients may develop GI symptoms, and as this orofacial granulomatosis is just like sarcoidosis and tuberculosis, which can present with similar finding like orofacial granulomatosis in the oral cavity, isolated involvement of the oral mucosa. This is an immunological reaction which is multifactorial and the causes varies patient to patient. The common symptoms are lip and facial swelling, erythema, angular cheilitis, oral mucosal tagging, cobblestone appearance of the mucosa of the tongue and oral cavity, linear ulcer in depth of the buccal sulcus, and non-plague related full width gingival inflammation. So, not all these findings are present in every patient, and recurrent or persistent lip swelling usually triggers the by the particular food. These lip swellings are from lymphedema with the lymphatic obstruction by the giant cells. The swelling persists for several days or weeks, and it is because of immunological reaction of multifactorial origin. And this is classical cobblestone appearance of the mucosa of sometimes there is oral mucosal tagging also seen with this cobblestone appearance of the mucosa. And there is full thickness inflammation of the mucosa and lymphatic obstruction mucosal edema because of giant cell infiltration in the disease. And this etiology is unknown but likely represent a range of etiological interaction between the host immune system. So this disease can start with any age, but mostly in children. First presentation of the Crohn's disease is the orofacial granulomatosis. For diagnosis of orofacial granulomatosis, you have to rule out the generalized disease of Crohn's disease by fecal calprotectin level and capsular endoscopy and biopsy. So you have to rule out systemic disease, Crohn's disease, and you have to treat orofacial granulomatosis like classical symptoms of lip swelling, angular cheilitis, oral mucosal tagging, and cobblestone appearance of the mucosa. And this is the GI finding in Crohn's disease. There is full thickness inflammation of colon. Now treatment. First treatment is about the dietary triggers, like you have to most common for food benzoate diet. You have to avoid the benzoate food containing diet. Second is sorbate diet, so you have to avoid the any component of the sorbate, any preservative which is having sorbate, so you have to avoid the sorbate diet. And third one is cinnamon, and you have to avoid the cinnamon diets, and you have to avoid the chocolates. Sometimes you have to give topical tacrolimus, and some patient need systemic treatment with azathioprine or mycophenolate mofetil. Surgical treatment of orofacial granulomatosis only having poor cosmetic outcome, so you should not try this. Only you can give intralesional injection of steroid.